guys, today it is 7 profit winning strategies for your business. Do you feel you're working long hours, working really hard, but still can't seem to get ahead money wise? Do you leave your financials up to your accountant and don't really understand them? So imagine knowing exactly how to make more money in your business and more money for you without working any harder or any much longer. It's times are tough. The hard work never goes away, but yes, you can make it quicker and easier. It may be hard to believe that you could love that jumble of numbers, especially if you believe math, in math, and math was not your greatest subject in school. So don't worry, you're not alone. In most cases, this is the last thing business owners focus on, and actually that should be the first one, but hard luck, they don't look at, I'm telling you, 90% of the business owners I coach, they don't look at numbers. And as a business coach, I have saved and created more money for business owners through focusing on numbers first rather than beginning on the marketing side of their business. Believe me, it works wonders. In business, most of the figures we do are on the costs and on the margins. So these need to be turned around so they add value for the business owner and enable the business to be run smartly. So here are 7 suggestions to get you started. Number 1, work out your margins on every product and service in your business. Now include a portion of the cost to run the business as well as the cost to sell each item. Okay, as you sell products to cover costs and make money, most of you really will put your prices up after this exercise. You'll raise it up. Number 2, if your business is not a cash business, set up a cash flow statement. This way you know exactly where your money goes. The lifeblood, when you see the numbers changing on a weekly cash flow, P&Ls don't show a true picture. Remember that of where your money is right now. Discover what it means really to proactively run your financials in your business and have the weekly cash flow. Number 3, investigate and truly know your costs. After reviewing how to cut down these costs, devise a budget, set your targets, then adhere to your budget. Avoid the if I have money, I will spend it theory. This proactive step saves lots of money. Your key focus should be on your net profit, not on your turnover, guys. Number 4, learn to understand your financials. Get someone to teach you. Don't just leave it to your accountant. As a business owner, really, it's your responsibility. It's your business to understand this, not your accountant. So trust me, once you understand them, you will love them. You will have bigger decisions and impactful business. Number 5, identify the top components of your business that really need to be measured. Liken their function to that of the gauges in a car dashboard. This identification and measuring process really will help you keep your business run at maximum efficiency and highlight really challenges before they slow it down. Work with your coach to pinpoint what these components should be. Number 6, graph your figures. This is a great way to see trends, actual figures versus last year's budget or last quarter's, whatever it be. Pictures are really often easier to understand than figures. They are also a great way to get the team fired up about doing better each month. Number 7, produce a management report each month. Maximum 1 or 2 pages most. Don't make it a long drawn thing. Get yourself into a routine of analyzing your figures or financial measures each month. Produce a skeleton report that is easy to fill out and covers all your business areas of your business. If you need some help to get you started in any of these areas, talk to us, talk to me as your coach. We will definitely be able to help you and take easy steps for this to happen in your business. Take some time with your business coach. Give me a call to get you going in the right direction, to identify what key areas of the financial side of your business you really should be focusing on. With this greater financial understanding and implementation of management systems, I think you will achieve greater profits and really a greater peace of mind in your business. And that's what's wanted. That's why you are into business. So just looking at these avenues of how to increase your profits, the 7 points, I'm saying you can go in leaps and bounds. So this is Priscilla Kambata, changing lives of every committed business owner.